In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of adding Amazon products to your Wix website. Whether you're aiming to integrate Amazon products into your Wix site for affiliate marketing, product promotion, or simply enhancing your site's offerings, this method is straightforward and effective. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your Wix dashboard. Then click Edit Site to open the Wix website editor. Once you're in the editor, head over to Amazon.com and select the product you want to showcase. For this tutorial, I'll use a Black Shark headset as an example. After choosing your product, copy the product's link, Ctrl+C. Next, visit iframegenerator.com, paste the Amazon link into the designated field, and click Generate. This will create an embed code that you can easily use to add the Amazon product to your Wix site. Copy the generated embed code, return to the Wix website editor, and click on the Add button. Scroll down to select Embed Code, and then choose HTML code. Paste the code into the HTML box and click Update. You can adjust the size of the embedded box to ensure it fits nicely within your site's layout. Once everything looks good, click Preview to see how it appears on your live site. Click on the embedded product, and it should redirect you to the Amazon product page, confirming that the integration works perfectly. With these simple steps, you've successfully added an Amazon product to your Wix website. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on Wix website customization and Amazon product integration.